Today, we're diving into one of the most common questions about flight training. How much does it really cost to become a pilot? Redbird Flight just released the results of a new survey gathering data from over 1,400 flight schools, independent CFIs, pilot examiners, and students. Their report gives updated averages for training costs and timelines. But we're not going to stop there. I'll also share a tool to help you get a much more personalized and detailed cost estimate. Let's jump right in. According to Redbird's results, average flight training costs and the time needed to obtain your private pilot certificate have remained flat for the first time in the 5 years the survey's been conducted. As you can see from this graph, in 2020, the average cost to earn your private pilot certificate was $9,000. In 2021 through 2023, that cost increased to $14,000. However, between 2023 and 2024, the cost for training stayed the same. Now let's look at the amount of time necessary to earn your certificate. In 2020, the average was 30 weeks or between 6 and 7 months. However, in 2024, the time necessary dropped to 24 weeks or just over 5.5 months. In general, this is good news. It means for most folks, the cost of training is leveling off and students and their instructors are becoming more efficient. And while this information is useful, there are still some questions. First, what exactly does the $14,000 price tag cover? Is it limited to instructor and aircraft time, or does it also include other essential expenses like a headset, testing fees, books, online subscriptions, and other training materials? The survey doesn't make that clear, and those additional costs can add up quickly. Second, the duration figure is also a bit unclear. Was it calculated based on a specific flight schedule, like flying 3 hours per week, or is it simply the average calendar time from start to finish regardless of how often somebody flew? Unfortunately, the survey doesn't provide that detail, so to dig deeper, we'll need to look for another source. According to the FAA, the average number of hours it takes for a candidate to earn their private pilot certificate is 75. Using the minimum flight time requirements and the FAA's average number of hours, I put together a spreadsheet to help my students estimate how much their training will cost. I've put a link in the description so you can download it for free. This spreadsheet breaks the cost into 4 categories: flight training, ground training, materials, and testing. Let's walk through them one by one to see how it works. Flight training costs can be broken down into 2 categories: aircraft rental and instructor time. There are a lot of factors that go into the price that you'll ultimately pay, including where you're training, how busy the area is, what aircraft are being flown, and how experienced the flight instructors are. As an example, I've put the hourly wet rate for my school's mid-range aircraft and our instructor rate into the first column so that you can see how these work. However, because pricing can vary widely, the best way to determine your home costs is to contact 1 or 2 local flight schools and ask for their current rates. I've put 3 sets of columns in the spreadsheet so that you can compare total pricing between a few different schools. Ground school training costs can also vary widely. In many areas, you have the option of attending an in-person ground school or using an online program. The costs shown in the worksheet are for the King School's private pilot ground school and practical test preparation. However, there are lots of excellent online options, including Sporty's, Rod Machado, Gleim, Gold Seal, and many, many others. Feel free to replace the costs in the sheet with whatever you decide to use. I'm going to skip the materials section for a moment and jump to the testing section. There are 2 tests that every candidate must take to earn their pilot certificate. The written test is administered by PSI Exams. The testing price shown in the spreadsheet is the most recent cost as of the posting of this video. However, to ensure you have the most recent pricing, go to faa.psiexams.com and review the frequently asked questions. Finding the cost of a practical test, often called a check ride, can be a little tricky. Just like rental and instruction rates, check ride fees can vary widely depending on your location. The best way to get an accurate, up-to-date estimate is to contact your local flight school and ask. If you explain that you're trying to budget for your certificate, most schools will be happy to share the current rates for the examiners that they typically use. Now let's get back to the materials. This may be the most flexible of the 4 categories. Within the spreadsheet, I've tried to list all of the major items you will need and provide cost estimates for them. A brief note: when preparing this spreadsheet, I did not try and find the cheapest price. Instead, I leaned towards the middle. I would rather the estimate be high and have you pleasantly surprised by having money left over at the end than to get most of the way through your flight training and find that you're out of money. You can purchase almost everything on this list from sporties.com. And just so you know, I'm not sponsored by them and I don't receive any benefits from them. I'm simply a customer who finds their service helpful and convenient. If you're looking for the lowest prices, I encourage you to shop around. Many suppliers offer the same materials, and with a little extra searching, you can often find better deals. To make things easier, I've set up the spreadsheet so that you only need to enter the price of each item in the far left column. The totals will automatically update across the rest of the sheet. Once you've entered or updated the costs in each of the 4 categories, you will have your personalized estimate of the costs required for you to earn your pilot certificate. Using the costs from my flight school, the estimate looks to be around $21,756. However, there are strategies to reduce that number, and we'll discuss some of them in an upcoming video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. Don't forget to click the link below to download the free spreadsheet, and if you'd like more information on flight training, I'd recommend watching this video next. Thank you for watching, fly safely, and I will see you next time.